What's up, everyone? If you are looking for first order discount on Hostinger while buying your hosting from Hostinger, then watch this video, because in this video I'm going to tell you how you can get the maximum first order discount while buying your hosting from Hostinger. So what you have to do is just simply click on the link in the description. Once you click on an amazing link, you are going to see a special page like this where you can see about Hostinger special promo deal running on. This is their popular plan, but scroll below. Look around on their reviews on other websites, Trustpilot, Google, Hosted Device, WP Beginner, everyone praising them for their services. Now you can see there are three popular plans, but in case if you're looking for other plans, you can simply select the hosting and select other plans. But my recommendation is to go with either of these three plans, because these three plans are common, popular, can host WordPress, can host e-commerce, can host other websites as well. So these are my personal preference. If you ask me for my own blog, I use a premium plan for the first year, and then I moved to the business plan, and I'm using it's my third year with hosting, and so far experience is very good with hosting. So if you scroll below, look around in the features, you can do a comparison. There are a few things which you can see that you are getting backups for your hosting. You are getting a lot of SSD storage. You have a capacity to host 100 websites. You are getting very good performance. You're getting unlimited bandwidth, free SSL, free CDN with two of the plans, and you're also getting dedicated IP with one plan. All of the plans are WordPress optimized, and some plans are WooCommerce optimized as well. And then scroll below, you can see that they provide a no-code website builder, which is amazing regarding Hostinger. And then if you scroll below, you can see that their security features are amazing, like enhanced DDoS protection, web application firewall, Cloudflare protected name servers, malware scanner, secure access manager. All of the plans have 30 days money back guarantee and 99.9% uptime guarantee, and you all have access to global data centers. Then you are also getting 24/7 support, and you can see that the data centers are USA, UK, France, India, Singapore, Brazil, Lithuania, Netherlands. You have ample options to choose to host your website on. And then if you scroll below, you can see that they provide maximized website speed with the light speed web server technology, which is at least three times faster if you compare them with their competitors. And then you can see, if you scroll below further, that they have 24/7 support. They also offer free migration in case if you're coming from another hosting company. Look around over here, and now currently more than 2 million people are using hosting as a prime hosting company. Now let's move on to the plan. My recommendation is to go with the premium or business plan. Both of the plans are very good. So let's say we are going with the premium plan. Simply select the add to cart. Once you select the add to cart, we'll be redirected to another other page. Make sure to click on the link in the description. Plus, I'm going to give you two of the coupon codes through which you can get further discount. So you have to stay with me in this. Now here you are going to see the summary of what you are going to buy from the hosting. And now this is a limited time deal. Make sure to click on the link in the description. And now choose your billing period. You can see that a 48 months is a bargain over here. Look around in the pricing, you're getting it the 48 months. My recommendation is to go with the 48 months. And then you can create your account at Hostinger by writing your email ID or synchronize with your Google or Facebook account. And then you can select payment method. Hostinger offer 5 payment methods. Select your payment method. Scroll below, select the have a coupon code, and write this coupon code. You can find this coupon code in the description of this video along with a special discount link. Now, once you write this coupon code, simply select the apply button, and you're gonna see that a price got a further discount. There is in the coupon code as well, which you can use, which is with the name of HI10. You can use this one as well, and you're also going to get a further discount while buying your hosting from Hostinger. So my experience so far with Hostinger is amazing. So in case if you're going to buy Hostinger from for the first time, so make sure to enjoy with this special discount link, plus use these two coupon codes to get your first order discount while buying your hosting from Hostinger. Good luck.